What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Monopoly Go account quickly and easily. In order to recover your account, you had to have signed in through your Apple account or through your Facebook. If you signed in through a guest, your account cannot be recovered. The first thing to do to recover your account is tap into your Monopoly Go app. Next, we'll tap the 3-bar hamburger menu in the top right corner, and then we'll tap Settings. Next, we'll tap Customer Service. It'll pull you to an FAQ sheet here. It doesn't matter which option you select. You can select any of these, it'll get you to the same result. So tap on anything here. Keep tapping through until you get to the answer. And then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until it says Chat with Us. Tap on Chat. Here you're going to type in what you would like to do. So I just said, hey there, I would like to recover my account, and then I hit send. Next, you'll select about the game, and then say my question is not in the FAQ. You might have to type again what you're looking for. Just let them know that you want to recover your Monopoly Go account, and then they'll connect you with an agent. After they connect you with an agent, they'll verify your identity, and then your account will be reconnected. That's all for today, guys. I hope this video helped you reconnect your account and Monopoly Go quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.